Are you trying to delete a page from a PDF on your iPhone but you cannot find the option anywhere? This happens to a lot of people because the iPhone's built-in tools don't let you remove pages. In this video, I'll show you an easy method to delete any page from a PDF using a free app on iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone, search for System PDF Editor, download it and open the app. Inside the app, tap the plus icon and choose Open File from the menu. Select the PDF you want to edit and open it in the editor. At the top, tap the drop-down menu and switch to Document Editor. Now select the pages you want to delete. In the bottom bar, swipe left to reveal more options and tap Delete. When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap Yes. Finally, tap Done at the top. Your PDF is now updated and the pages you selected have been removed. And that's all you need to do. Your PDF is now clean and organized and only has the pages you want. If this video helps, tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and share it with anyone who needs help with this.